Alright, good morning everyone. So this is a light switch. It used to have a little, I don't know, what do you call it, thing that used to move up and down to turn the light on and off. But now I gotta use a screwdriver. See? There it is. So, alright. So I gotta replace this because even if you have one of these where you click them up and down, you can always put one of these, and of course there's other options as well. So that's the goal today. I'm gonna replace this to make it a lot easier, and we'll see how it goes. And then I could do these by hand, but using the drill just speeds things up. Alright, so here is a bit of a problem. One of these is supposed to be white. See, like this one. And one of them is, of course, has to be black. Neutral, ground is a copper one, and then hot or power. I don't know exactly what they're called, but the problem is that I don't know what this is for, but these two wires are the same color, and I've never seen this before. Luckily, there's a switch out here on this side, so I went ahead and opened this one up, and it's the same problem. The wires are the same, and the wires are the same. And for some reason, I'm no electrician, but for some reason, all the white ones, or the neutral, whatever they're called, they're all, I guess, united or tied together, and I don't know why. So this is really odd. I've never seen it. If you're an electrician, maybe you can tell me what's up. I don't know. It shouldn't be a problem, because all I got to do now is, connect them to these two. I don't think it really matters. We'll see. Hopefully nothing blows up. Hopefully I don't see fireworks. Oh yeah. Safety tip: always turn off the power. But it can be done with the power on. See, there goes that. Just make sure these two don't touch. It's happened to me before where I'm working on one side and I accidentally touch the other one, and you will see fireworks. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to loop this a bit. Alright, there we go. So that's the reason for the hook part. Is so that once it's hooked, it won't come off. But of course, I still gotta tighten up the screw to keep it in place. And there is a right way to do this, because if you do the loop the wrong way, when you tighten this up, it will sort of come undone. There you go. See? Pretty clean. So remember, I'm no electrician, but If you watch enough YouTube videos, you know you can do this. See that? So we're good. Alright, so that's it. And then just as an added precaution, I like using the electrical tape. I mean, you don't have to, but just to prevent anything from touching this, nothing should touch it, but it's just, you know, me. I had seen it somewhere and I don't know, I just like the idea, but you don't have to at all. And that's it. Oh. And that's it. So now, you know, I can mess with it. I don't, you know, have to worry about touching no metal. The only thing I don't like is that on this side, it has, you know, for the ground to be attached to. It does have it, you know, in there. Where is it? There it is. See, so it does have it in there, but since I wasn't the one that connected all this, and because, you know, these are the same color, I don't want to mess with it too much, because what if it's like this for a reason, and then if I connect the ground to this, you know, things go wrong. So I'm just going to leave it back like that. And continue working. Alright, so there goes that. Now, for the cover, I don't know what it's called, but some sort of cover. It looks good. Alright, so that's that. So I went from not being able to turn on the light, you know, without the screwdriver, because this thing was missing, to, you know, just hitting it. So I do prefer these, because sometimes just by hitting it, it'll turn on the light. Whereas with these, you know, you have to swipe your hand up and down. Sort of the same thing, but that's it. Thanks, everyone.